Yeah.
Right.
If I wasn't nervous before, now we got a confident camera guy. Welcome back to another video. Today I am cutting apart my Camaro. We are going to commit to either destroying my car forever and turning this into a real insurance claim, or we are going to have it be real badass. So when you buy this rear diffuser kit from ACS Composites, they send you this really fancy stencil. Luckily the holes here line up with the holes for mounting to the car, so that does make it a lot easier for positioning the paper. I cut it all apart and cut it all as I templated it. So been contemplating with Dave. I think I'm going to end up scoring it all through the paper and the tape so that I know where I want to cut it, peel it all off so I don't have to deal with a lot of the mess, and then also drill all my holes. I've got everything kind of pre-positioned. I am assuming, big assumption, oh, it's just battery savings. Yeah, I can start the tap and it'll come back to you. Yeah. So I'm assuming these screws are a lot smaller than the 1/4 inch holes it's asking me to drill, so that it gives it a little bit of play and leeway on how it actually mounts to the car. At least I'm being very optimistic. So I guess let's cut my car up.
Is this how it's done?
Oh. This will make it easier.
There's a nice action shot. Somebody didn't cut that part very good.
Does that not make it easier to see?
Oh yeah.
Just don't cut the tape.
Just don't cut the tape. Just the tip.
Famous last words. We have achieved success. We were unwilling to compromise, but we have now achieved success. So I ended up cutting out this from the back because there was absolutely no way I was going to fit my fingers in there to get any form of the screws. Missed 2 screws, I don't know where, I couldn't get the holes to line up, but most of them are in there, and to be honest, this is more rigid than it was when it was built, so I'm not really all that worried about it. We've got one more slight modification to make, and we're going to put this back on the car. We got the car back together successfully in one piece without too much issue. I got a little bit of tape stuck between the hitch and the fin. I gotta say, this is the piece we cut out. This is some incredibly thick fiberglass. They did a really good job. I did end up putting pop rivets over here in the corners to hold it tight, but it's pretty crazy. Like, it really does drastically change the look of the rear end of the car. I'm pretty excited to get it dropped. I'm very excited that it worked with the hitch. I got it, I don't know if, maybe the hitch is mounted ever so slightly. It's off by maybe a 1/16 of an inch. Again, who knows? It could be the fin that I installed. It could be the hitch. I'm not that concerned about it. It's so freaking close and it looks so good and it all worked so well together that I'm not gonna complain about it. So ignore the exhaust tips. That's for another video. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.